This is 650 horsepower?
Yeah, it's a Whipple Charge 5.7.
What? Like from factory? No way. What is it? Oh, wow. That looks amazing. That comes from factory.
Yep.
Direct connect?
Yep.
That's sick. Wow. 650 horsepower.
Yeah, it's a 5.7 too.
It's a 5.7?
Yeah.
No way. What's that? Is that a... What's that over there?
I can't remember what size.
That's insane.
It's a fucking download phone here.
That's cool though. That's cool that they offer that.
I know, right?
Oh, that's a truck. Something you'd get.
They offer it in all-wheel drive or two-wheel drive?
Really?
Yes.
Good morning.
Look at those tips.
What does the word adventure mean to
Hey.
you? Is it
wonder what-
embracing the unknown,
wonder what
stepping
exhaust
out of
is.
your comfort zone, or maybe
MF?
even feeling alive? Well, no matter how you define it, the all-new, all-electric 2026 Jeep Recon was built for adventure. Whether you're
I wonder if you could start this thing. Oh yeah. Looks like this is the truck I'm getting, buddy. That's such a weird thing. Like, why would they? It's such a unique setup.
I
Like,
think everyone complained about TRX.
yeah,
All the guys with like street trucks like me complained they didn't put a street truck out.
yeah. Oh wow. This is cool.
Whip starts life like a sport.
Here, give it a seat, bro. This is a nice truck. Probably get this truck. Stats when I get there. Yep. It's crazy to look
This
at.
one's 4-wheel drive.
Is it 4-wheel drive? Oh. 5.7 e-torque. 600 foot-pounds. 8 speed. How much? Do you know how much?
102 US, I think.
Wow.
Something like that.
I don't know. I like it, buddy.
Basically, same price as that,
Yeah.
right? I got that back.
What's the interior look like?